the new doorbell from Google. I'm gonna show you how I install it. I was excited when I saw this release, and I'm gonna show you how I install it and why I took it back to the store. Okay, it's big compared to the other. This is black mate. This is for the power, and this is for recharging and setting up. All right, let's see what else is in here. Instructions. Let's get started. Okay, all the information is here. A sign for let the people know that you have been recorded and listened. USB Type C and USB Type A. Setting up. And here, let's see what is in here. This is the clip to uninstall or take it out of the plate when you need to recharge. I'm gonna use a wire, so I won't need the lock or the key to unlock. Right, and these are the two cables that goes in here, and this is for installation of the old wire. This one, I don't know what is this for. I will look the instructions. And these are the plates. This is to install to the front. And this is, I believe it's an angle. Yes, it's an angle. So you need to install it with some kind of angle. This way. So an angle, flat plate. Maybe these are some razors. Yeah, maybe raise a little bit the surface so you have a space for the wires to be installed. All right, let's go and uninstall the old one. Oh, let me see what the instruction says. Plug your Google Nest doorbell into an outlet. Get the Google Home app, tap and add your doorbell. So this is not going to the Nest app, it's going straight to the Google Home app. Scan the QR code below and watch the installation video. Okay. Oh, these are spacers. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, let's move to the computer then. Setting up the applications was very easy. Scan the code, and it took a little while, a few minutes, but I was establishing the connection and everything was really smooth and easy. I choose the location where the doorbell is gonna be installed and just waiting. And now, as you can see, I have a signal. So a few more instructions for the doorbell, and there we go. This is my current doorbell. I really love it. Just getting a little bit old. As you can see here, it's peeling off. Maybe the sun is affecting because I am under the roof, so there is no water coming to it, so just the sun, but it's getting old, so I'm gonna replace it for the new one. Okay, to remove this, I'm gonna use this little pin, and there is a hole underneath of this, and it will pop. So these are the two wires that we need to connect to the new one. This is the old plate. So first we need to disconnect the power to be safe. So next I'm gonna remove this plate. And remove the wires. All right. So this is still good condition, so we can reuse it somewhere else. Now it is installed. You can hear it rings here. It's very soft, but inside I can hear it. It matches with the frame. Really cool. I like it. Then this start happening. No connection on the camera. Several times tried to fix it, troubleshooting, nothing seems to work. Really bad connection. Also, only 3-second recording. I used to have a full day 24/7 recording, and the app used to go to the next application to check the cameras. Also, I integrate the Nest application with iOS HomeKit, so I have the cameras on my HomeKit application, and Google is not compatible with that, so I don't like it. I'm gonna take it back to the store. So this is my solution by now. I use the Cricut machine to cut a template that I created and put a little face cover on it. I know it's glitter. I have so many other vinyls, but my wife like this, so I'm gonna have it for a while. You barely see, actually you don't see all the peeling off, so this is gonna last a little bit longer, so I'm gonna change this face for another one soon, but I have so many other colors, so this is gonna stay. Sorry, the other one is going back to the store.